Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today we're going to learn the mini split. This is a basic pose that most beginners should be able to do. Today I'll be doing a bent leg variation as I'm still working on my split flexibility. Alright, let's get started and remember, you've got this. From a few climbs up, start by putting on your single foot lock. Reach up to separate the silks and then lean back so you can squat down in between the silks. Bring your hands down to shoulder height, lean back and straighten your standing leg. Arch and remember to point your toes. To come back to the squat position, bend your standing leg and pull yourself back up with your arms. Then you can stand and kick off your foot lock to come back to a climb to exit. Next up I'll show you how you can adjust the lean of your split. If you're enjoying this tutorial, you can help me out by clicking the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Start with a single foot lock, reach up and separate the silks, and then lean back so you can squat down in between the silks. This is where you can adjust how far you'll lean back. With your hands above head height, lean back and you will remain horizontal. Lower your hands to shoulder height and you will end up upside down. If you have the flexibility, here you can straighten your free leg into a full split. To exit, come back to the squat and then stand up to your foot lock. If you've watched a few of my other videos, you know I like adding spins to moves on silks. To spin the mini split, get into the squat and then reach down to the tail end of the fabric to start the circling motion. If you want a detailed breakdown of exactly how to spin, check out my spinning secrets video in the top right corner. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial on the mini split. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.